Hello, today we will share information about truck insurance in USA. Truck insurance coverage in USA, United States of America. And I will show you a best and interesting topic, and it's very helpful topic and video for you. Here is a most important truck and trucking insurance in California. Truck insurance coverage in California. Primary liability. The coverage option protects you from damage or injuries to other people as a result of truck accidents. This coverage is mandated by state and federal agencies. Comprehensive physical damage and collisions coverage. The insurance coverage for your truck and trailer. This coverage is for repair and replacement for the damage resulting from things such as collisions, fire, theft, hail, windstorm, earthquake, flood, mischief, or vandalism to owned vehicle. Motor truck cargo coverage. Motor truck cargo insurance protects the transporter for his responsibility in the event of damage or lost freight. The policy is purchased with the maximum load limit per vehicle. General liability. This coverage provides protection for injuries or property damage sustained while on your premises using your products or services. Or because of a breach or contract, our company can offer you many lines of coverage for artisans, contractors liability, contractual liability, electrical works and plumbing, non-truck liability, bobtail coverage, non-trucking liability. Bobtail coverage provides limited liability insurance for owner operators who have who are permanently leased to an ICC regulated carrier. It provides limited liability protection when the owner operator is not on the dispatch nor pulling a loaded trailer. Local trucker, intermediate, long haul trucker, intermodal or port, hot shot, TGL and NTL not available for class 3 vehicles. Dump trucks, sand and gravel, and dumper units, logging, refrigerator trailer, overseas or overweight, automobile helper, household goods mover, tankers. I hope it's helpful video for you, and if you like my video then please share. Thank you.